Welcome to the Semsah Fashion channel, where you will learn how to revive, restore, redeem and renew your own garments. Have you watched part 1 of making your own face mask? No? Then stop right here and get your free pattern to make your own face mask. This bag isn't only useful for face masks but also other items. Want to learn more? Then don't forget to hit the bell when subscribing to be alerted to new videos and stick towards the end to find out more ways to use this bag. Cut a square piece of 40 by 40 cm with 1 cm seam allowance given. Finish the edge of the top with a zigzag stitch or double turn, or leave it raw if you just don't have time for it. Fold the bag in half and sew the outer corners, leaving 1 cm away from the top edge of the bag. Thread through the string cord or elastic cord, 60 cm long. I use a safety pin and it's very easy to thread through. Iron and voila, there's your bag. Tip: you can use this bag for storing makeup, accessories, sewing tools, or even wash your underwear if it's made in a net fabric. Just adjust the size according to the products you would like to store it in. It is such an easy design to make. Let me know if this tutorial was useful to you. Like, comment, subscribe, and share your work with me at Semsah Fashion. Bye bye!